picking up the rear.
Someone's got to make sure no one gets left behind.
Gracias. Michelle, did you know that I speak rooster?
I do know that.
You know what that rooster just said?
What did it say?
Vámonos.
I hate being dropped off ahead of the group because there's really fun things that we like to do with the group. One of them is stopping at this place right here.
Hola, buenos dias.
Hello and good morning from the Camino.
Good morning from the Beer Bottle Bar, also known as Cafe Venia.
It's closed, Brian.
It's closed. I know it's a little early for beer this morning.
Well, I mean, only because it's closed.
Well,
I mean, otherwise.
Is it ever too early for a beer on the Camino?
On the Camino. No. And if it is for you, don't judge us.
Buen Camino.
Don't judge us. This is us.
We are leaving from Arthua today and walking all the way to
O Pedruso.
O Pedruso. And because we need to take care of some things for our group, we taxied ahead and got dropped off right here at the Beer Bottle Bar before it opened. We knew that going in. So what you saw coming in before this was some video from our 2023 Camino on the Frances, walking along this same path. So it's what our pilgrims saw today, getting to this point. And everything from here on out is live today.
Oh, there are so many pilgrims walking by right now. It's funny. It's very distracting. I'm sorry, but you got to acknowledge. You got to say hi.
I don't know how early they started to be this far ahead already.
I don't think they started. Well, hey, good morning. Good morning.
We love Ohio.
O-H-I-O. We met some people last night from Ohio and
They were
Indiana.
at our hotel, so they started early.
Yeah, they did. We started later because the temperature today is only going to be like 73. So, okay, that's all right.
All right, so as the rooster said, vámonos.
Let's go.
All right, Scott and Mary making their contribution. I'm taking a video, so you do whatever.
So rude.
Yay!
Look who we ran into on the trail. It's
Fast Stacy. Orange Stacy.
Fast Stacy sounds more like it.
Orange.
Burning the skirt, though, has 2 days.
When you're walking the Camino, make sure you engage the locals. It's good to feel seen. So you say, hola, at a minimum. If you feel comfortable, you say, hola, buenos dias for the morning, or hola, buenas noches, buenos dias, buenas noches, or in the evening, buenas tardes. You can look that up on Coffee Break or Duolingo or Google Translate. But acknowledging them, helping them to feel seen. Think about when you're at work or around your friends or maybe walking through your neighborhood. You really want to be seen by people. It's nice when someone says to you, hello, good morning. I know I like that. So make sure that when you're walking the Camino, you make sure that you see the locals and you acknowledge that you see them. They'll appreciate it and it'll make their day as well as make your day. Hola, buenos dias.
All right, Daryl and Janice, wave to our pilgrims. Our Australian pilgrim friends. We are in Pension a Soliana.
I wasn't sure about this place, but I really like it. When you walk in the front door, which is where we are now, all of our luggage is right here. We've got a couple rooms here. Most of the rooms are on the second floor, but there's a lift. Yay!
And it's almost like we're sharing apartments.
It is, because so we've got a couple here that will be sharing this spot, but they have to share their
terrace.
They have to share their terrace because that's where you dry your laundry. They do have a bathroom outside of their room. And then in our room, we've got a little kitchenette and a washer, which we'll be sharing, obviously, the washer with them. And then,
a full-size refrigerator.
And then upstairs, there's another washing machine.
Michelle will be playing Goldilocks to figure out which bed she wants to lay in tonight.
I feel like I'm gonna just make sure I have my own personal space. I'm just glad I have my own pillow.
All right, let's go upstairs and see those rooms.
Okay.
Up here on the second floor, we have 3 different apartments. So apartment A, we have 2 rooms here. So we've got a really nice twin room here, another little balcony on the terrace. We've got room 10, nice bathroom, a matrimonial bed. Now we're gonna walk over here to Salon B. And here, this is another one of the apartment rooms. So they've got a full-size fridge and a washer and dryer and a terrace for all the people that are staying up here on this floor. 3 beds. Plus there is a bedroom upstairs that they use for groups sometimes, but because we wanted private rooms for everybody, that's closed off for tonight. And now let's go over to Salon C, where we have 2 more rooms. So we've got another triple bed room that'll only have 2 people, another terrace, and then the final room is another matrimonial, again with the terrace. Let's check out the view. Okay, not a terrace, just a tiny little balcony, but you can still hang a line out here to dry your laundry. And there's the other 2 rooms. And we have a view of the Galician countryside. Can you see Santiago from here? Not yet.
There's a face on the front.
Rosie the robot is delivering food.
Ooh, that's a lot of food. Go, Rosie.
Run into a wall.
Uh-oh, she did. No, she got stuck. She got stuck.
Help a girl out.
What's up, Rosie? Oh, poor Rosie.